Hello guys, your boy Samson here, and today I'm back in another video. Today I'm going to show you how to add this navigator tab or this market watch here on the left side of your mt4 application on your PC. First of all, let me just start by removing this navigator control tab here, or this. Let's just first start by removing the market watch here. All you need to do, you can use the shortcut Ctrl M, or you go to this view tab up here and you scroll down to this area here written market watch and click on that, and all the pairs that are provided by the broker will be displayed on this left side of your chart. To add any pair of your liking to the chart here, you just scroll on this market watch zone here, and let's say we are going to add the gold USD pair to our charts. Right click on gold, and then you go to this zone here written chart window. Click on that and your chart will be added on this window here. To hide all these other pairs that you may not be liking and you don't want to analyze on these other pairs, all you have to do, you right click on the market watch here, you scroll down here to this zone here written hide all, and you left click on that zone, and all these other pairs will be hidden, and you will see only the 3 pairs that you've added to your chart here. If you reached this far, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and comment down below on any kind of video that you'd like me to discuss with you guys in the next one. See you in the next video. Peace.